Phone holder bed gooseneck mount, Lamicall flexible arm 360 mount clip bracket clamp stand for cell phone 11 Pro XS Max XRX 876 plus 54, Galaxy S10 S9 S8 S7 S6, overall length 33.4 in, black. Compatible range. This lazy phone holder is designed especially for using your smartphones lying on bed or sofa. Cell phone holder is compatible with iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X8 8 Plus 7 7 Plus 6 6 Plus 6s 6s Plus, Google Pixel, Nexus, Huawei, Galaxy S10 S9 S8 S7 S6, and other 4 to 6.5-inch cell phones. Switch. Flexible clip phone holder with 360 rotation clip-on holder, flexible long gooseneck arm. You can freely adjust it to your best viewing angle when you're lying on your bed or sofa. Notice, due to its flexible structure, there are wobbles while typing on the phone. Easy position. Distinctive dual arm design. The thicker lower arm is to keep stability, and the thinner upper arm is for easy twist. Flexible enough to twist yet durable enough to withstand repeatedly bend. Various using occasion cell phone clip holder with rubber padded clamp open maximum to 2.75 inch can be securely mounted to bed frame, nightstand, desk. Free your hands, provide you with maximum comfort. Warm tips. This phone holder for desk is only suitable for reading and viewing. If you need to type on your phone, please take it off. And please use two hands to adjust the view of the arm to promise a long time life for this gooseneck phone holder. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.